Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the car speed detection and the counting using machine learning. So in that project you have to upload any video, input video, and the model will detect the car, it will detect the object and it will recognize the speed of that particular car passing from that imaginary line, and it will also count the particular vehicle. Like it will increase one by one counter if the passing from that imaginary line. Okay, it's counting 2, and it will also count the speed of vehicle. Okay, now the number of vehicle is 3, and it will detection or predict the vehicle speed like 4, 5. Like whenever the vehicle passing from that particular line, then the counter will increase by 1. So this is the complete project. If you're searching a type of project, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. You can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Okay, yeah, thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.